Do you want to earn $2,000 every week in free PayPal money fast right now? Yeah, this is the way I'm going to show you today's video. But before that, see this guy from USA already made $4,000 and this guy from South Africa already made $36,000. And this guy from Indonesia already made $100,000. Yeah, this is true. All you have to do is follow this strategy in this video. But before that, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Hi, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's go move on to the way I'm going to show you today how you can make $2,000 or more per week just following this strategy, and you can do it for free as it is. So just let's jump back into the action, and the site that I'm going to show you is called Flippa.com. Flippa.com, yes, you heard it already, but this site is really awesome, and this is the #1 marketplace to buy and sell various website and domain related service and products. And you can see this is a really good site. If I go over to similarweb.com, and you can see that they are getting 1 million visitor every month. This is really awesome. This site is really awesome site. These are really popular site, and you can start earning money with them, but by you selling websites, apps and domains like that. And no worries, you do not have to be a coder upfront to sell anything. You do not have to build website. I'm going to show you the free way and the way by which you can just start right now. And let's move on to the site. When you go to this website, you can see there are lots of products all around the site, all over the site, that are really popular, and people are selling thousands of dollars product. They are making thousands of dollars. And you can see that into the browser section, browse websites, all websites. If I go there, and you can see that all the websites that are currently listed there are here. You in front of you, you can see that people are asking for $1,000 for their website, ready-made website, and people are really interested to buy this type of professional sites, and so on. So if you move on to like their websites category, you can see that there are people who are asking for like just $1, but this is not the price for that website. This is an auction. You can sell it as a fixed price like this, but you can also auction it to flippa.com so that you can start minimum, and you don't worry. The more day it will pass, people will bid more money to this website, and I'm sure this site's going to get $1,000 bid in 2 weeks from now. This is 14 days left. So this is a really awesome website to sell your website, your domain, and your apps. You can see that in the app section as well. You can see people are selling Android apps and iOS apps for thousands of dollars and hundreds of dollars, and this is really great. People are getting money from this type of websites. But how you can do this if you are not a programmer, if you cannot build website? So how you can do this? I'm going to show you the first method and the second method. Both are really great. So before I show you that, if you have liked this video already, if you are not like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with me to this method. And the first website that you already know is Fiverr.com. Yeah, Fiverr.com. This is the great website. This is the top freelancing website that you can use right away to get freelancers to do your job. Yeah, if you do not know how to code a website, how to write a website, how to build a e-commerce website, or anything technical like that, you can definitely hire a freelancer from Fiverr. You can also go over to peopleperhour.com. You can go to upwork.com. You can go to freelancer.com. You can go to truelancer.com as well. There are many freelancing websites, but these are the top tier freelancing website by where which you can earn, you can ask for freelancers to do your job. But I prefer personally Fiverr.com because they are the leading in the freelancer field where you can get your job done. This is competition is very high, so you can get your job done in less money than others. So if I go over to their search section and search for create website, and then you can see lots of freelancers are thousands of freelancers are selling their website building gigs, and you can see people are asking just $70, $50, like $35 or more, and professional builders, also experienced builders, are also selling higher priced products like this, and you can get your job done. All you have to do is just invest some 50 to $100 here. You can get a very professional, cool looking website. I'm sure you will people going to love to buy. So all you have to do is go through freelancer list in fiverr.com so that you get the job done. You just create an e-commerce site or a blog site or anything like that. You can find many freelancers who can really love to do your jobs, but don't worry, those jobs are professional, but they're asking less money because they want to get more sales. They want to get popular in this competitive Fiverr.com marketplace. So you can just start earning money by investing a little 50 to $100, and you know already how much money people are making there, thousands of dollars. You do not have to list it thousands dollar product. You can ask if you made that site like 50 to $100, and you can list it here like $300, $400, even $500. You can also build a professional website and for like 200 or $300 from Fiverr, then list it here in Flippa as $1,000, $2,000 like this, and this will definitely get sold, and I'm sure this will definitely get sold, and people are making money by this. And all is this, you can just invest 100 to $200 and making 500 or $1,000, which is pure profit without doing any hard work from your part. You are just sit and collect money, and this is really awesome way to earn money without doing anything. You just have to invest a little money and sell it in higher price to flippa.com so that you make good amount of profit. People are making $1,000 using this. But if you want to start free, then definitely free is need a little work than paid options. So the site I'm going to show you by which you can start earning free is udemy.com. Udemy.com, yes, this is a tutoring website. This is a course website where you can find lots of course related to website building and various technology tech sites like that. So if you go over to their search section and you search for like how to create a website or how to build a website, then go over to their price section and select free here. Then you can see that they have more than 6,000 courses to build websites on various type, like various coding. So you just browse through those courses are like 1 hour long, 2 hour long, or so like that. You can see one total 1 hour, 2 hour, 3.5 hour, and you are done. You can start making website with this just needed 1 or 2 days of your time to learn how to build a website. And then definitely you don't get scared. It's easier than you think. You just start earning money. You just by attempting these courses, you can start building websites for free. You do not have to pay to any freelancers. You just go this website and search for free training, free website building courses like that, and see all those courses, complete those courses, and you will definitely can make better websites from day one. So you can, when you complete this website training courses and you can start building website, then definitely you can list those websites to flippa.com and ask for thousands of dollars, or even if you want to start you can ask less than that, but definitely it is 100% pure profit, as you do not have to pay for any freelancers, and you already know how to build website. And more money you make, more day progresses, you will learn more skills, you will get more experience. And this is the very important part. You can do all the courses and you can get to a professional level, like these freelancers here, and you can make professional looking sites of various related sites like e-commerce and blog and so on, and you can definitely list them for thousands dollar in flippa.com. This is a really solid way to you can by which you can not only earn $2,000 every week, but more than that. If people are making $100,000 every month, every week, and people are making 6 figure, 7 figure amount every year from using this same strategy that I have just shown you. So all you have to do is just be active. Money will always follow you. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. And see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.